Believe it or not, equipment isn't the most important thing to becoming a great creator. It's really about the connections you make with your subscribers. So, the first thing I tell people is, if you want to start a YouTube channel, start with free. A lot of us nowadays, we have a phone that takes decent video quality. Now the editing. If you have an iPhone, start with iMovie. Now, I don't have an iPhone because I'm not balling yet. I don't know. I just like Android, alright? Now, the second free editing tool I recommend is YouTube's editing tool. Record your videos on your phone in one go and use YouTube's own editing software. And the last free editing software I recommend that I see a lot of people use, Keen Master. I've personally never used it, but it has great reviews and can be used on Android and phones. And just letting you know, I'm not gonna go over each editing software because I use Adobe Premiere Pro, which we'll talk about in a little bit, but I'll put tutorial links in the description below.